Unmanned Aircraft Systems Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global unmanned aircraft systems market size will be $32,515.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 16.8% from 2024 to 2031. North America unmanned aircraft systems market size of $13,006.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 15% from 2024 to 2031. Europe unmanned aircraft systems market size of $9,754.65 million. Asia Pacific unmanned aircraft systems market size of $7,478.57 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 18.8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America unmanned aircraft systems market size of $1,625.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 16.2% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa unmanned aircraft systems market size of $650.31 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 16.5% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.